Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I use AI to make professional graphics within seconds. I remember when huge consulting firms like McKinsey, BCG, they used to pay six figures to create these type of graphics. And now we can do it ourselves quickly with AI. Adding these visuals to presentations or reports is easier than ever, and I'll show you how you can exactly do it. So with no further delay, let's jump into the demonstration.
Most of us who have worked on presentations, could be in college or at work, would have encountered graphs which we want to input into our presentations, and it was challenging for us to build that. Well, today AI has provided us so many tools to solve such problems. One such tool is Napkin AI. Let's try to jump in and see what is Napkin AI. Go to your browser and look for napkin.ai and you should be brought here. This should be the screen you will be looking at. What is Napkin AI? It is just a new AI tool launched very recently. What it can do for you is turn any text into graphics in seconds, like literally in seconds, which is great. It has impeccable accuracy in capturing words, unlike most of the text to image tools which are available today in market. So let's jump on and see how it works. Well, to test this out, we need to first sign into this particular platform. So all you have to do is click on sign in here, and then this should bring you to a screen where it asks you to sign up using your Google account, or you can use another email. I have already created an account, so I'm just going to link this with my Google account, which is my Gmail, and then this should be bringing me into Napkin. So now I am into the launchpad where Napkin AI has logged me in successfully. Let us see what is available. On the top right, I see my profile where I can change to a different, a theme, a lighter theme. Auto is dark, so this is dark as well. So I am using a dark theme because I like that. And there is help and support, and there is a free pro beta plan. Let's not worry about that right now. Just let's focus on what can be done as part of this. So you see a button right in center which tells new napkin, which means you can create a new project or a napkin project here. So let's just try to click on this plus icon, and you will see that there are two options which it is providing you. One is draft with AI, where it is telling you are going to use AI to build something within napkin, and then there is a blank napkin where you can put in your content and use that to build the graphs of your interest. Let's say I want to use draft with AI, right? All I have to do here is exactly similar to ChatGPT. I can give in a prompt here, and then that should generate me corresponding text and images correspondingly. Let us see how that is done. Let's say I want to build give me understanding document on Pega constellation. So this is one new concept which has come in. I want to see if I can build something around this particular concept. All I'm doing is just passing these tokens or attributes or words to this AI model, and let us see what does it generate for us. Click on continue. You see AI is writing. So it is building me a document which talks about understanding Pega constellation. All this is being done exactly similar to how ChatGPT would do it. Along with this, what it also provides is, for example, let us say I want to build a graphic representation of this particular document. All I have to do is, if you see, if I hover on this paragraph, I see a AI button here which generates visuals. All I have to do is just click on this, and right now Napkin is generating a UI, graphical UI for this. And then there are different options here. See, this is the first option is this, and then I can switch over and I can see what all different graphic designs I can generate using Napkin. See, and you can also customize it by clicking on specific features. For example, if you want to rename it to something else, you can do it. Or if, let us say, I want to rename this to overview to constellation overview for infinity, I can do that. Let us say I want to block around this, I can also do that. uh, See, I want to, let's say I want to build something like a oval shape around it, I want to change the color, I can do that. A lot of stuff you can do. So this is all it did, was use this description and generated this particular graphical representation of this particular paragraph. The same thing can be done here. So let us say the key features, you want to change an icon for this, you can call this, you can put a icon here. And let us say you want to select all these key features and build a graphical representation, you can select this and just click on this AI to generate the graphical representation of this particular features. See, the key features are now, like, doing this on presentation would take huge lot of time. We are doing this in just few seconds here, if that makes sense, right? And there are so many other styles you can try out, like just by hovering over it. See this? Anything, like, there is no limit to it. If you choose a certain style, there are different variations to the style. 3 4, like, you can keep going. Let us say I don't want this, I'll cancel this, and let's select that again and see what other features, what other graphs are there. Let's try to see the different flavors it is providing, right? Back, and then you can see the different flavors it is providing, like, like a bulb. And then you can see the different features it has for different graphs. Like, any representation you want can be built here, like just in the matter of seconds. And you can customize it, rename it, change colors, do whatever you want to your taste, and that should be doable, right? So let me move this down and let's do this again. Like, you could use this anywhere, like, for someone who is trying to build a new documentation around the new features he's delivering, right? He can use this. Like, it is as simple as just putting in the AI is going to do the writing for you, AI is going to build these graphics for you. Let us say you just want these graphs, you want to take these graphical representations, incorporate this in your presentations, you can do that as well. I'll show you that just in a moment. I just want to show you the different flavors of graphs it is providing here, right? And this way you can, this is so many huge set of a huge palette of information and graphics it is going to provide you. Along with that, you can click on, see, there is this funnel based approach as well. You can change just the funnel's color is something. If you want to modify, you can do that. You can go here, change the funnel's color to something which you like, change that to blue, let us say, and that should make the change. I think it's slightly slower, but that's fine. Right? So this is a very interesting feature which you can utilize and do, and you can also search for a certain aspect within within that, like, you can look for let us say a specific rectangle or a crow or any aspect as such. You can go and search here and you should be able to find that. Let us say you want to put a cat here or an arrow or anything, any element as such. You can search here and you can incorporate it and you can modify it, right? So along with this, what you can also do is, you can download this. All you have to do is click on this and sorry click on this and click on this download button on that particular graph, and then you should be able to download a png, svg, pdf, whatever you want, and take this and put this in your let us say you want a lighter version. You can do a lighter version and download this, and you can incorporate this in your project within your PowerPoint presentation. Well, this is the beauty of this particular tool, and it's amazing that what used to take hours of work and cost thousands can now be done in seconds. If you have any upcoming presentations, give Napkin AI a try. This video isn't sponsored by anyone, but it's just to show you how cool this tool is. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon, and let me know if you have any comments on Napkin AI. Where have you used it within the comment section? Thank you. I'll see you in my next lecture.